Ever wonder about the invisible forces shaping our world around us, the ones we can't see but feel every day? Let's dive into one of the coolest, a fundamental force that governs much of our technology. It's electromagnetism, the secret partnership, the intricate dance between electricity and magnetism. Whenever electricity flows, surges, or even trickles through a wire, it creates a magnetic field, an invisible aura around it. Conversely, move a magnet near a wire and you get electricity flowing. It's a two-way street. This elegant dance powers everything, illuminating our lives from lights to gadgets, the very devices we hold in our hands. Imagine skipping a rope. Think about its motion. The swirling motion, the continuous loop, is like the invisible magnetic field created by electricity when it's channeled through a coil. This field reaches out, expanding into the space around it, patiently waiting to interact with metals hidden beneath the surface. Understanding this invisible field, grasping its properties, is the first step in our scientific treasure hunt. It's the fundamental law of the universe that makes motors spin with such force, allows generators to work, producing the electricity we rely on, and yes, enables metal detectors to function with incredible precision. A metal detector actively creates and carefully listens to these magnetic fields, sending out a question, a silent probe, and waiting for a metallic answer to resonate back. When you swing a detector across the ground, you're engaging in a subtle yet profound conversation with the hidden world, the secrets buried beneath your feet. Electricity and magnetism, two sides of the same coin, inseparable, undeniably powerful, and the fundamental reason we can effectively see through solid ground to find hidden metal treasures. This science, this ability feels almost like a superpower, and it's the very foundation upon which our high-tech treasure hunt is built. The adventure, the quest for the unknown, is just beginning. Alright, let's dive right in and get to the heart of the metal detector, specifically the search coil, that round, crucial part you sweep methodically over the ground. It's the detector's primary interface with the Earth. Inside this coil are two very important components: the transmitter, which sends out a signal, and the receiver, which listens for what comes back. The transmitter coil pulses electricity rapidly, generating a magnetic field that expands and radiates outwards, penetrating into the ground below. Now, when this expanding field encounters metal, it induces the creation of swirling eddy currents inside the object. Essentially, tiny whirlpools of electricity begin to form and flow within the metal. The metal briefly transforms, becoming its own small electromagnet, emitting a faint magnetic signal back towards the detector. The receiver coil is carefully tuned to listen for this returning signal, acting like a highly sensitive ear, straining to hear the faintest sounds. It picks up that subtle magnetic whisper emanating from the metal, and then converts it into a readable electrical signal. This electrical signal is then routed to the control box, which processes the signal, analyzes it, and then alerts you with a distinctive beep or tone. The sound's strength and pitch, its characteristics, can even provide clues, hinting at the object's approximate size or its depth beneath the surface. It's a brilliant and elegant loop: transmit, induce, receive, and alert. A continuous cycle, transforming invisible physics and electromagnetic principles into an audible sound you can follow and investigate. Not all metal detectors are the same. They each employ different technologies and are designed with unique purposes in mind. Each type is built for a specific job, whether it's finding shallow coins in a park or deeply buried relics in challenging terrain. The most common is the very low-frequency VLF detector, a versatile option for many beginners. VLFs operate by using two coils to create and sense low-frequency waves, allowing them to detect a wide range of targets. VLFs can even tell different metals apart, a feature known as discrimination, which helps you avoid digging up unwanted trash. Pulse induction, PI, detectors are the heavyweights, designed for maximum depth and performance in difficult conditions. They function by sending powerful magnetic pulses into the ground and listening for the echoes that bounce back from metallic objects. They're great for deep targets and tough ground like saltwater beaches or highly mineralized soil, where VLFs struggle. However, they are less precise at telling metals apart, so you might end up digging more trash along with the treasure. The beat frequency oscillator, BFO, is the simplest, representing an early form of metal detecting technology. It works by using two coils to create a steady tone, which is then disrupted by the presence of metal. When metal is near, the tone changes, alerting the user to a potential find, though without much precision. VLFs are perfect for parks and general use. offering a good balance of features for recreational treasure hunting. They provide a good balancing depth and discrimination, making them suitable for a wide range of targets and environments. PIs are for serious treasure hunters, those dedicated to finding deeply buried caches and relics. They excel especially in mineralized soil or underwater, where their powerful pulses can penetrate challenging conditions. BFOs, though basic, represent a foundational technology in the world of metal detecting. They paved the way for today's advanced detectors, showcasing the evolution of metal detecting technology. Each technology has its place, offering unique advantages depending on the specific hunting scenario. And knowing the difference helps you pick the right tool for your hunt, ensuring a more successful and enjoyable experience. Science and engineering make treasure hunting possible, transforming what was once a dream into a tangible reality. Whether you're after coins, relics, or gold, the thrill of discovery awaits beneath the surface. There's a detector designed for your adventure, ready to help you uncover the hidden stories of the past. Understanding these types is key to maximizing your chances of success and enjoying the hobby to its fullest. It's the first step to unlocking the world beneath your feet, revealing the treasures that lie hidden just below the surface. Choose wisely, and let the hunt begin, embarking on a journey of discovery and excitement. Science is awesome, and so is treasure. Metal detectors aren't just for beachcombers, they're vital tools in many fields. At airports, walk-through arches and wands use electromagnetic fields to spot hidden metal and keep us safe. Archaeologists rely on detectors to find coins, tools, and relics, helping piece together history. In mining, detectors locate valuable ore. In food and pharmaceuticals, they ensure products are free from metal contamination. Construction crews use them to avoid hidden pipes and cables, preventing accidents. From security to science, metal detectors quietly protect, discover, and build our world. The same tech that finds a lost ring can save lives or uncover ancient secrets. It's a powerful example of science solving real-world problems. Metal detectors aren't perfect. They can get fooled by trash like bottle caps or foil, leading to false positives. Ground mineralization, especially in iron-rich soils, can overwhelm detectors with constant noise. Electrical interference from power lines or other devices can also cause erratic signals. Advanced detectors have features to help, but skill matters too. Experienced users learn to interpret tones, adjust settings, and swing the coil just right. Overcoming these challenges is what separates beginners from seasoned treasure hunters. Every beep is a puzzle. Solving it is part of the adventure. The metal detector's story began in World War II, when Joseph Kosaki invented a portable detector to find landmines and save lives. This technology turned deadly threats into detectable objects, revolutionizing battlefield safety. After the war, surplus detectors inspired inventors to adapt them for peaceful treasure hunting. By the 1950s and 60s, lighter, more sensitive models sparked the modern hobby. What started as a tool of war became a gateway to history and discovery. Every beep today echoes a legacy of innovation and transformation. From clearing minefields to unearthing lost coins, metal detectors connect us to the past. It's a powerful evolution, from survival to curiosity. Metal detecting is more than a hobby. It's a hands-on adventure that connects you with history and nature. The thrill of hearing that first clear signal is pure possibility. A coin, a ring, or a piece of the past. Every find, big or small, is a story waiting to be uncovered. It's accessible to all ages, easy to start, and fosters curiosity and patience. Detectorists form a welcoming community, sharing discoveries and advice. The hobby turns ordinary walks into treasure hunts and landscapes into living history. It teaches us to look closer, appreciate the past, and enjoy the search as much as the find. Whether you uncover treasure or just stories, you gain a deeper connection to the world beneath your feet. So, next time you see someone sweeping a coil, remember, they're listening for whispers from the past. And that's a pretty cool thing to do.